The three legendary intelligent women. I, the king, have a mission for you. I found an unknown solid and need you to find out what it is. Below are my findings. 1. It is extremely cold. 2. It depletes rapidly. 3. It made my drink taste sour. Attached is the white solid. From King. According to the king's letter, he mentioned that he collected a huge pile of white solid. However, on his way back, his bag became lighter and lighter and lighter. And when he reached the kingdom, to his dismay, he realized that the huge pile of solid became a tiny, puny little white pile of solid. Now would you join me in carrying out this special experiment to find out what this white solid really is about? Experiment. We will need a beaker of water, what the king brought back white solid, and bubble solution. I'll now place the beaker of water into the white solid, and look what happens next. As you can see, the gas produced is sinking to the table. This shows that the gas produced is heavier than the surrounding air. And now spread a film of solution over it. It's expanding, and it's expanding. What do you think will happen next? Will it explode? And it pops. Well, as the solid sublimes into a gas, the gas produced is caught inside the air bubble. This shows that the solid sublimes into a gas and the gas formed is trapped inside the air bubble. Therefore, as it continues to sublimes, more gas is trapped inside the air bubble and it expands and finally bursts. Since the solid turned into a gas immediately, the gas can escape quickly. Therefore, this explains the king's situation as to why the solid depletes rapidly. From the previous experiment, we know that the gas produced is heavier than the surrounding air. Therefore, I suspect that the gas produced may be carbon dioxide as it is also heavier than the surrounding air. Now, I shall carry out a simple experiment to check if this gas produced is carbon dioxide. For this, we will need a test tube of water, lime water, and the white solid. I'll now take a few pieces of white solid and drop it into the test tube of water, and now pass through the lime water. Can you see the lime water? It turned chalky, and therefore I deduce that this gas produced is carbon dioxide.
The king also noted that along the way, a piece of the white solid fell into his drink. He thought that it was harmless, so he went on to drink it. However, when he drank it, he felt that it tasted very sour. According to my knowledge, acidic things taste sour. Therefore, now I'm going to carry out an experiment to test if this solid is acidic. Each of these three beakers contain ammonia solution, which is an alkaline. However, each of the three beakers contain a different indicator. An indicator is a substance which changes color according to the acidity of the substance. This beaker contains phenolphthalein. The second one contains the universal indicator. And lastly, we will also need bromothymol blue. Of course, we must not forget the most important white solid which the king brought back for us. Now, I'm going to add a piece of the white solid into each of the beakers. Now, the colors are going to change very quickly, so you must keep your eyes peeled. As you can see, the colors are changing. What color do you think it will change to?
Red,
pink,
yellow.
As you can see, the colors of each of the solutions has changed. Did you get the colors right? Now, let us compare the colors of the solutions with our color chart. Firstly, phenolphthalein has turned into a colorless solution, hence it is acidic. The one containing universal indicator has turned orange in color, hence the pH ranges from 3 to 4 and is also acidic. Lastly, the one containing bromothymol blue is yellow in color, and this shows that the solution is acidic. Hence, we know that this solid has neutralized the solutions and lowered their pH, therefore making it acidic.
The king mentioned that when he touched the white solid, it got stuck and his finger got burned. Psst. So, now I'm going to show you an experiment on the reason why this happens. Firstly, we need some white solid, 2 identical limes, a leaf, a small beaker, and some ethanol. Firstly, we'll need to add some ethanol into the white solid. Next, we'll place one line into the beaker. And now we'll compare with the lime inside. So we need to squeeze this lime to show that the lime is soft. Okay. Now let us take out the lime from the beaker. Could you hear that? This shows that the lime has hardened, and this proves that this white solid is very cold. And when added together with ethanol, it is even colder. This explains why, when the king touched the white solid, it burned his finger. Here's a word of caution for you. Now let me show you what happens if you use your bare hands to touch the white solid. Let this leaf represent your finger. Look, it's very soft. Then place into the white solid. What do you think will happen? Now let's count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is what will happen to your finger if you actually put it into the white solid. Look, it will just break like that. Therefore, never touch the white solid with your bare hands.
Yo, King!
It's us again!
According to the results of our experiment and also our knowledge, we have come to a conclusion to what that white solid is. It is none other than dry ice!
Do you still remember our brain teaser? Well, here's the answer to it. There are actually 5 moves. Have you gotten it right?
We hope that you have learned a lot of interesting things about dry ice from us. So
Love us!
vote for us today.
And rate our video!
Thank you! And have a nice
day!